Hey folks, Chris once again, welcome back to another video. And this is another request assigned from Alex. Thank you so much. And this is he wanted me to direct a video called first was exciting and then was a sad video, and now it's a gross video. This one is called New Butter Eating World Record, 15-year-old record broken, LA Beast. Alright, let's check this shit out. Yay.
Have a good day.
Of all things, butter. Fucking why? And why so much butter? It's just a waste of butter, man. If butter's not on my toast, or on my bread and butter, or on potatoes, I fucking hate butter because it's gross. If it's by itself. And who is butter by itself anyway? I swear to God, I react to a Julius Tour video where he literally ate a one-chip challenge and washed it down with fucking butter. I'm telling you, I reacted to that damn video once. Hey guys, I gotta go see who's. There's always somebody at the door in these videos, so I'll be right back. Might be a package, who knows? So, be right back. Fortunately, it's not a package. Let's continue.
LA Beast here. Today my mission is quite simple, and that is to attack the butter-eating world record, which has been standing since February 21st,
Damn.
2002. Now, the butter-eating world record was set by legendary competitive eater Don Moses Lerman. Where back in 2002, as part of Glutton Bowl, he ate 7 quarter-pound sticks of salted butter in 5 minutes. Now, it has been said that this record will never be broken. And even back in 2012, I failed to eat 7 sticks of salted butter in 5 minutes, where I could only get down to 5. But today, I'm going to give it one last shot, and in the process, inject 6,480 calories of pure fat direct.
Why? Why, man? Why? Get ready to see me vomit first on camera, guys, man.
Bloodstream. I am the LA Beast. And Don Moses Lerman, I salute you. I have my water, I have a glove so the butter won't slip out of my hand, and I'm going to go until all 8 sticks are...
Now, no matter if you wear a glove or not, it's still going to slip out of your hand, but... whatever.
Gone, because that's how I roll. Oh, the time to beat is to get 7 plus sticks of butter.
This is a bad idea, man. Really bad idea. He's already about to puke.
Have a good day.
Oh my God. What the hell are they putting in the water? Not this water, the water... Never mind. Hope I don't get copyrighted by this damn music. What the fuck am I watching? That's what I tell myself every single fucking time I watch one of these damn videos. What the fuck am I watching? This video is definitely getting the thumbnail of It's already getting the video of someone being sticking their tongue out and going like, ugh. What the shit that's in that damn butter, especially the kind he's eating, like that shit could kill you. Seriously. He knows what he's doing. He's just... This is really just ridiculous and stupid. Like, Joy's World Tour, at least he only used one, and he used it to wash down that one chip. You know, we didn't do shit from because he was drawing out fucking... Ugh, I don't want to think about that shit. If he's gonna puke, I'm gonna puke with him, and I don't want to see that shit. Can't believe this kind of shit's on YouTube, but yet the shit that... Never mind. By the way, I'm gonna draw out this. I'm gonna mute the sound if you guys, if it. I'm gonna mute out the sound when he pukes because I don't want you guys to get grossed out. And plus, I want to get. Plus, I don't want this video to get fucking flagged either. A lot of people say, "Oh, butter melts in your stomach." I'm like, yeah, but the chemicals that is in that butter doesn't melt itself. It stays in your stomach, it rises, and it makes you puke out your fucking guts if you eat this fucking much butter. For no reason except to get views.
Minute, 40 seconds left. 2 pounds of butter, 8 sticks of salted butter. I can feel the fat flowing through my face.
Yeah, it makes you fat, and it... He thinks he's a fucking champion.
Okay, I thought I was having a heart attack there for a second. I'm the LA Beast, and I just ate 8 quarter-pound sticks of butter in less than 5 minutes, beating a 15-year-old record held by Don Moses Lerman. Oh, yeah!
At least he's not puking.
Have a good day.
Okay, that wasn't that bad, mainly because the video didn't show him puking his guts out like it did with the hot dog challenge, like it did with the banana and Sprite challenge, like it did with the fucking raw fish. By the way, I've seen those 3. I haven't reacted to them because I watched those before I started this new channel, but I've seen worse. But so, but eating that butter by itself is... I mean, he does him and I'll do me, I guess. I don't know. Well, definitely getting the thumbnail. I'm gonna really type in the video of someone doing. So yeah, whether he puked or not, I'm still getting that damn thumbnail. So with that said, thanks for watching. Take care, and me and my growing stomach will see you in the next one. Bye bye.